I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming this is the correct Sebodel F gel and that it is in date. That prevents ineffective or risky use. Once confirmed, wash your hands and gently cleanse the treatment area so the gel adheres and absorbs. Make sure the tube tip stays clean as you open it, remove the safety seal and recap or recork correctly. These steps protect you and preserve the gel's potency. Start applying within a few minutes after preparing the site. You should use only the recommended amount, often a pea-sized dab or the prescribed dose, because excess doesn't increase effectiveness and may cause irritation. Once dispensed, gently spread a thin, even layer over the target area. This ensures uniform absorption and reduces waste. Make sure you follow the timing schedule exactly, commonly once or twice daily, so the active ingredient maintains steady local levels. If treating a larger area, divide into sections and apply consistently rather than concentrating the gel in one spot. After applying, replace the cap tightly and wash your hands to avoid transferring gel to sensitive areas like eyes or mucous membranes. Once done, store the tube as instructed, room temperature away from heat or direct sunlight to preserve stability. If the gel changes color, smell, or consistency, discard it. If you experience unexpected burning, severe redness, or swelling, stop use right away and contact your healthcare professional. Minor stinging can be normal, but worsening symptoms need evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.